Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix text on iPhone lock screen theme. Now there may be few reasons on why this is happening. The first reason is the wallpaper may be causing the text to appear dim. So make sure or try changing it to a different one. Another thing you can do is go to your settings and simply tap on General and tap on Software Update. Now ensure your device is running to the latest version of iOS. If not, then make sure to update it. Now another thing you can do is go back and scroll down a bit. There you will be seeing focus option. You need to tap on it. And there you can simply tap on Personal. Again tap on Options. And there at the bottom you can see Dim Lock Screen option. Enable it. Now this will darken the lock screen when this focus is on. And these are some of the steps to fix text on iPhone lock screen theme. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.